we discuss that domestic product and national product. We have already known in that concept of residents. So production activity of the residents of an economy is national product, and GNP and NNP that example of that national product. National product includes production activity of resident irrespective of whether they are performed with the economic territory or outside it. In comparison to domestic product includes production activity of the production units located in the economic territory irrespective whether they are carried out by the residents or non-residents. Before we start that domestic product and national income, we should also know that normal resident of a country. Normal resident of a country. What do you mean by normal residents of a country? Because whenever we will discuss that national income, so at that time you will get that one point net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. So for that analysis of the net factor income abroad, we have to analyze the normal residents of a country. A normal resident is said to be one who ordinarily resides in the country concerned and whose center of economic interest lies in that country. Again I repeat, a normal resident is said to be one who ordinarily resides in that country concerned with and whose center economic interest lies in that country. Center of interest lies in that country. It means a person residing in a country for a period of 1 year or more is taken as ordinarily residing in that country. As ordinarily residing in that country, a person is said to have his economic interest in a country when he conduct economic transactions relating to consumption, investment in that country on a significant scale judged by his level of income and wealth. Normal residents include both individuals as well as institutions. Both individual as well as institutions. It is not necessary that normal residents of a country is also a citizen of that country, because I have already told a person may be the normal residents of one country even where he is a citizen of that other country. I have given also examples. So now I will give that some examples of normal residents of India and non-residents of India. First example is that of normal residents of India, Indians working in the foreign embassy in India is the example of normal residents of India. Non-residents of India, example, foreigners working in Indian embassies in Canada and Japan. Similarly, normal residents of India, example is Indian employed in WHO, World Health Organization, located in India. Foreigners working in World Health Organization located in India is the non-resident of India. Similarly, another example, normal resident of India is local people working in the office of IMF in India is the normal resident of India. Non-residents of India like this, German working as director of the office of IMF IMF, International Monetary Fund, located in India. Similarly, ambassador for India in the rest of the world is the normal resident of India, and non-residents of India example is that ambassador in India from rest of the world. There are so many examples like this. The normal resident of India example is the foreign citizen living in India for a period of more than 1 year, other than for studies or medical treatment, is the best example of the normal residents of India. Similarly, non-resident of India, the foreign technical expert working in India for a period of less than 1 year is the example of the non-residents of India. Here also some questions. One more questions. You have to write that answer. You must go through the books and prepare the notes regularly